And we cut across to breaking news coming in. The unabated politics over farmers continues. Congress MP from Punjab, Ravneet Singh Bittu, was snubbed by the farmers at Singhu border when he reached Singhu to join the protest, but farmers instead launched a protest against him. The protesting farmers attacked his car and he was asked to leave the location. Amandeep is picking up all the details on the same, and he joins us on the phone line. Amandeep, the evil intention of certain quarters who are trying to leverage the farmer agitation to their benefits is very, very visible to the farmers, and which is why they're not allowing this. But in this particular case, what had happened?
Exactly. Even the farmers have already called this, that no politician is allowed to enter into this protest just because they don't want to politicize it. And in this particular incident, Ravneet Bittu went to Singhu border to extend his own support to the farmers just a day ahead of 26 January of a tractor rally. And in fact, farmers raised slogan against him, showed him the black flags also. And even when he entered into the heated arguments, he was manhandled also. Even the farmers continuously manhandling him, asked him to leave the location immediately just because they don't need any support from any kind of politician from the Punjab or outside the Punjab. And in fact, during the manhandling, the turban of Ravneet Singh Bittu was also tossed off. And in fact, later on, the farmers restored the turban of Ravneet Singh Bittu and asked him to leave the location and even attacked his car also. So this is the kind of behavior. This is not the first time the politicians are receiving such kind of behavior from the side of the farmers, and in fact they are still making repeated attempts to enter into this farm agitation to encash their vote bank, just because the maximum farmers are from the side of the Punjab. So all Punjab politicians are making their repeated attempts to encash their entire vote bank into the politics. But they are very smart. Farmers have already given a call that no vote bank politics will be done here. No politician will allowed to come here. And in fact, they have set a stage at Singhu border, and even no politician is allowed to address the gathering from that stage. But despite knowing all these things, all these facts, all these statements from the Kisan Union leaders, the politicians are still moving again and again, tried to enter into this agitation for their own vote bank politics. Yes.
All right, Amandeep, many thanks for those details.